Hello, fellow Thunderbirds. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find those evaluation forms that you need to print off to give to your evaluator on the night of your speech. So you're going to go to toastmasters.org. You're going to log in. You're going to click Pathways. Go to Basecamp. You're going to access your path through Basecamp by logging in here. I'm going to click on my education transcript. And again, you're going to look for the name of your particular path, whether it's presentation mastery or innovative planning, and click Open Curriculum or Launch or whatever it says over here. And that will give you an overview of this complete level. Now we're talking about the icebreaker here, so click Launch for the icebreaker. And that will open a pop-up window. What I'm going to do, because the pop-up window is in the top left of my screen, I'm going to click my mouse and I'm going to drag it down so that you can see that. And what you'll want to do is click this button. It looks like a square, and that will maximize it, which means that it will take up the whole screen. I'm just going to keep it like this so you can see the edges of it. So I've actually come up with the evaluation. And the way that I did that was I clicked on this table of contents basically here, which takes you through all the steps of doing your icebreaker. And click on your evaluation here, and that will bring you to this page here. So there are various things that you can print here. You can do the worksheet, you can print the entire project if you choose to, and if you click on Evaluation Resource, that will open up a PDF that is 3 pages, and this is what you'll give to your evaluator at the meeting. So it says it's 4 to 6 minutes because it's an icebreaker. It reviews the purpose of this speech and has everything your evaluator will need to be able to give you a comprehensive and effective evaluation. I'm up in the tab up at the top. I'm just going to X that and get rid of it. So again, it was just go to your icebreaker, launch it, open up the table of contents at the bottom. And all of this takes time to load, so it's an opportunity to breathe and be patient. Click this table of contents here and click on your evaluation and you'll come up with this page. So I hope that's helpful.